Well, hello there, and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you how to work with Slack within ClickUp. Let's get started. Well, Slack is a communication tool that enables collaboration between persons that are working on a similar or different project. It allows you to send direct messages and group messages, and of course, create public channels where you can share information with your teammates and colleagues. Sometimes you will want some of the messages and some of the actions to happen directly into ClickUp through your Slack interface. How does that work? Well, we want to integrate Slack into our ClickUp. And to do that practically, you'll navigate into your account system and select Integration. From the Integration menu, there are a number of applications that you can integrate with ClickUp, from Slack to HubSpot to Zoom to ClickUp itself as an API and even your emails. So in this case, we want to integrate Slack in here so we can directly manage our communications in ClickUp through Slack. I'll click on the Slack option as the main application I would like to integrate into my ClickUp. I'll navigate down into the page and click Add to Slack. ClickUp makes it as easy as possible because by clicking on that, it will automatically ask you if you want to integrate your existing Slack into the already existing ClickUp. So the very thing I'll do is, since this is my ClickUp and this is my Slack, I'll just read through. If I want to give the permission, I'll click on Allow. I'm not going to click on Allow because of privacy issues on the account that I am using. But once you click on Allow, you should be able now to customize other minor settings that are provided for you and make sure that Slack is working within ClickUp. Well, that is how we'll integrate Slack and ClickUp so that every other message is handled from the same interface. See you in the next nugget.